It's Elizabeth. I know you guys are expecting me to say hi guys, but psych, I'm so sorry to disappoint. Now let me show you how we spent our time in the presence of the Lord. Real quick, sir, how can you describe today's service?
We want to bless God for today's service. It was a glorious service, especially the message and the Thanksgiving aspect of the service. Many people were blessed, and I was blessed also with, particularly during the second service, the prayer session was so amazing, and thank God for how He demonstrated His power amongst us. It was a glorious service.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, today's service was a bit unusual. You know, the normal serene Anglican, but there was spice. There spice to it. The preacher brought the worry vibe to it, and everywhere was vibrating. Also, the other part of the service was also fine. I enjoyed the session, praise and worship session, and then the Thanksgiving part. Chaplain refused to dance at his wedding, so he finally danced today, and it was a very lively atmosphere.
I am here with our worry pastor that brought in the worry vibe into this first service and second service. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, God bless you.
Yes, so what can you tell the people about the topic Open Heaven?
Open heaven is an experience that one can have with God. Number one, open heavens from Ezekiel 1:1, it can give you access to visions about your life. Then if you also look at the book of Luke 3 verse 21, open heavens can also give you access into the Holy Spirit. If you go to James chapter 5 verse 17 down, you can see that the open heavens can give you a rain of God's blessings. So there are so much about open heavens that one as human can enjoy from God, mostly when you are spiritual. My advice for everyone is to take God very serious and desire an open heavens from their lives.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
What's your take on today's topic, Open Heaven?
When the heaven is open, something must happen. Many things will happen. Many things will fall in place. Maybe difficult things become easy. Tough times will go. But the main thing is that when heaven is open, something must be done.
Open heaven connotes that when your expectation is granted, open heaven can be said to be when answers is granted to your request. But above all, we know that open heaven connotes that the literal heaven will be open. Are you getting me? So that we can be able to get expressly.
Thank you so much, sir. So here's your take home. Desire an open heaven and take God seriously. Thank you so much.